departing from the ramp, crossing runway 23, no delay, A1 Quebec.
Okay, are we ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Good, because we're leaving anyway.
Ah!
It's a nice day.
Yeah, it is. Oh, that's APU, right?
That is. Yeah, we have the nice stadium, home of the Owls, just on our left.
Is that Fort Lauderdale up ahead?
Yep, that clump of buildings.
Yeah.
That is downtown Fort Lauderdale.
Nice.
We have the new overpass they recently put in on Dixie Highway below us. You can see the intercoastal kind of snaking its way back over towards Lake Boca over there.
Yep.
This area off to the left is Lighthouse Point. See, it's got quite a bit of water in there, a lot of canals, a lot of people with boats and toys. And here we've got the intercoastal proper, Hillsborough Inlet with the drawbridge up there. As we come around the lighthouse, you'll see this discoloration in the water here. This is the reef. As we come over it, it's nice and clear. You should be able to spot any fish or sharks that are hanging out down there. If there are any. You can see the reef's got that real nice red color to it.
Oh, yeah.
There again, you have the lighthouse right on the point. These really nice homes here. This is the Hillsborough Mile. Very nice place. This one under construction here is the most expensive listing in the United States. Listed at $139 million.
Nice.
Deerfield fishing pier sticking out in the water in front of us. Here's this short white building with the green windows on our left here. This is the Aragon. It has rooftop swimming pools on it. In front of us here is the Boca Raton Inlet. A couple jet skis coming into it. Leads right into Lake Boca, which is that square body of water there, which most other states would call a pond, but Boca Raton likes to call a lake. Big pink tower, pink buildings, and the golf course there, all part of the Boca Raton Resort. Just on our left here with the parking garage, that's Meisner Park.
Oh, cool.
See the amphitheater at the end with its clock tower. You can see the runway just in front of us here. And you may notice we're kind of coming into the runway sideways because we're a helicopter and we're cool like that.
That's right.
Everybody enjoy it?
Yep.
Very nice.